Looking to finish your custom PC build with a touch of style and functionality? These sleeved cables come in 7 distinct colors and patterns, letting you personalize your rig to match your setup perfectly. They're more than just eye candy, they're designed for easy cable routing and lasting durability. Each cable features flexible triple-layer mesh paracord sleeving, making them not only tough but also simple to bend and arrange inside your case. This flexibility helps reduce clutter, creating a cleaner, more organized interior that improves airflow and overall aesthetics. Even if you're not a professional builder, these cables make your system look polished and neat. What sets these cables apart is their heat-shrink-less connectors, which give your build a crisp, display-ready finish without the bulk. Plus, the included modular interlocking cable combs snap on effortlessly, even after your system is built, helping you achieve that professional-grade look in seconds. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. Power delivery won't be a worry either. Inline capacitors on the ATX 24-pin, EPS12V, and PCIe cables ensure stable voltage and clean power flow to your components. This means your system runs smoothly without unexpected power dips or instability, which is crucial for high-performance builds. Users from the United States praise these cables for their ability to clean up cases and enhance appearance. One user shared how the cables made their build look significantly better, noting the improved space and flexibility. Another highlighted the quality and ease of installation, emphasizing the value of buying from trusted brands to avoid compatibility issues. If you're seeking custom cables that combine style, reliability, and straightforward installation, these are worth a look. Keep an eye out for deals, especially on platforms like Amazon Warehouse, where you might snag them in, like new, condition at a discount. Plus, there's hope for future expansions like PCIe 5 compatibility to keep your build future-proof. Ready to upgrade your PC's interior with cables that deliver on both form and function? These sleeved cables offer what you need to make your build stand out and perform at its best. Try them when you're ready and see the difference a professional touch can make.